Rachel, and today I am back. I'm in my TAS planner, which is the planner from the Angel shop. I just shortened it down to TAS. I don't know who started that, but it fits better in my thumbnail, so that's what I do. And I'm going to plan the week ahead. Now, I've gone for a full kit this week, and that's because of the layout that I'm going to do, which I'll go into in a minute. But I'll just show you the kit that I've got. This is one from Fab Planner Print. Unfortunately, Fab Planner Print is closed at the moment. They will reopen at some point, but I'm not sure on the details on that. But do keep your eyes on their Facebook group if you're on there, and also on the Instagram pages. But I have got this one, which is a beautiful spring kit. I love the colours, I love the vibe. So we've got our 8 full boxes, some checklists and some functionals at the bottom. We've got some checklist boxes and more checklists there. We've got some functional boxes, some icons and some trackers. We have got lots of little thing headers and little things. I don't really know what you call this sheet. What do you call this sheet? We've got some beautiful washi, some deco and some more functional, and then we have got some headers, some date covers and a weekend banner. So I've got loads there. This is going to stretch for 2 kits, so what I'll probably do is use it in this kit for this year. Maybe I can use the rest of it next year, or use it as a shorter spread in my Stalogy. Either way, the stickers will not get wasted, but I wanted to have all the full boxes because I want to do this layout again. I want to do this layout again. I really enjoyed how that turned out. When I did it, if you watched that video, I didn't quite know what I was doing. I was just kind of going with it, but I like the way that it kind of is a bit unusual, but it flows. Do you know what I mean? But anyway, I liked how it turned out. And also, just to let you know, I have now gone back and planned the weeks that I did not have, the ones that were not filled in. I had 2 weeks that I missed for some reason. I'm not quite sure what happened, but I did. And that was this week, which was part of a kit from Josephine Bow Designs. The LA Jungle kit, if I remember rightly. The boxes are gorgeous. Absolutely love that. Just paired it with some washi from Wish Designs. And then this one is leftovers from a different Fab Planner Print kit. One of the magic ones, but I can't quite remember the name of it. And I love the boxes on that one. This one we did a video on. This one I did a video on, but then the footage got corrupted and you never saw it. But this was extras from, so these 2 boxes were from Lily Blossom Designs with these and these. Simply Gilded. These 2 boxes were an extra from, I think it's Planner Sister Stickers. It's those 3 words in some kind of order. But that's where they were from, and they just went really nicely together, so I'll put them together. And the date covers are from Little Bloom Papery. So let's get on then and see what we've got to put on. Okay, so I've got my clip on. It feels really weird because I'm home alone now. I haven't been home alone for ages. Chris has nipped to go to Poundland for some bits and pieces that he wanted, and he was like, are you coming? And I was like, no, I'm not. I'm going to stay at home because I've got stuff I can be doing while you're not here. So I'm going to play with my stickers instead. Right then, how did we start? Did we start with her this week, or did we do her this week at the end? We didn't even do her this week. We didn't do her this week, that's fine. So we'll just start with Monday at the top. So if I start that, I'm just going to leave that off for a minute so I can know what I'm doing. So if I get the first day on Monday, and then I'll know what I'm doing from there. I don't have a video to put on every day. We did put a video up yesterday. We'll put one up today. I'll try and put one up tomorrow. We'll see. We're just going to see. Let's just see what happens. Right, so. And then it's a full box, a quarter box and a full box. And we just keep going that way. Right, okay, I've got it. I've got it. So let me just write down then the videos on here. And then they're all ready to just stick in. I'm going to use all half boxes because I've got enough. So, yesterday was my B6 Stalogy. I want to put the date on it. So what was the date? It's the 28th to the 3rd, isn't it? Because we're going into April, that's fine. And then I'm going to have my B6 Stalogy April set up. Still haven't pulled the things for that yet, but I think I'll do it tonight. Yeah, and then maybe I can get it filmed in the morning. Because I, for some reason, forgot that I needed to... set up for April, as you know if you saw that video yesterday. And then let's do this one, which is my Angel Shop planner. again the 28th to the 3rd. And then what else do I have? So we'll have yeah, we'll do my flip through, my March flip through. And we will do a memory planning spread as well. Let's use this yellow box at the bottom. And then for the other days, I'll just put down empty boxes and then I can fill those in as I go along. Right, so let's get this going then. So I don't want to put down headers. I'm just going to go straight with this. So thinking about it, when I decide that I want to do this layout, I can just buy from shops, can't I? You know when you can buy a la carte? I can just buy from shops full boxes, like deco boxes and half boxes, can't I? I wonder if there's any shops that you can buy just those things from, because that would work out really nicely for me. That is worth thinking about. I've not done any shopping for a while, any sticker shopping for a while, you will have noticed. We've got our holiday coming up and I'm really trying to shop my stash at the moment, and that's number one because I don't want to spend the money. We've got other things that we need to do, but also my stash gets out of control really quickly because obviously I PR for quite a few shops, so I get some credit with those guys, and then sometimes I get sent things which is really, really nice, and I always really appreciate it. And then obviously I often see things that I want myself and I pick them up. Before I know it, like, my collection is a bit crazy and I do a bit of a de-stash and sort of like lather, rinse, repeat situation. Is Wednesday there? That Wednesday needs to go there now, doesn't it? Yeah, it does. Okay, I'm finding my feet with this a little bit now. Wednesday needs to go there. I just liked how this turned out last time. I just thought it looked really fun and really different. My go-to layout is definitely the Print Impression Weeks layout, and I think that's because I'm just comfortable with it. So when I'm doing a spread off camera, if I've missed the week or I don't have much time or for whatever reason, I definitely do always sort of go towards my Print Impression Weeks layout, and I think that's just familiarity, really. But yeah, I definitely do like using this planner in different ways. What shall we have next then? So I want to try and film my April setup tomorrow. So we can put that down there. If I end up putting a sticker down on a day and then don't do that video on that day, it's not the end of the world. I mean, I don't think I'd be that bothered to move it anyway, but just say I did want to move it, these are removable stickers. So that's fine anyway. So this is going to take us right down to the bottom of the page on there, which is fine. And then, did Thursday go to the bottom? Yeah, Thursday at the bottom. And then I'll just have room for that quarter box. If I don't have room for that half box, sorry, if I don't have room for that half box, I will put a quarter box down the bottom, but I think I should be just about okay. So then Thursday's video, it can be the memory planning spread, or we're just going to get that on. That's really good. Perfect. I just like how it turns out. Doesn't it look pretty? Just something different, isn't it? So then Friday starts up at the top here. There we go. And then we need, oh, this dress. Oh, thrown those halfway across the floor. Miles away. I had to get off my chair and go and get them. I like threw them halfway across the room. Let's do this then. And then Friday. What video is Friday going to be? I'll put my March flip through. So then that leaves me with Saturday. I could do my Hobonichi Weeks spread with Paige. She still needs to do her birthday spread, but I've not had the time to do it with her. Oh, she's got parties on Saturday and Sunday this week. It's probably not going to happen this week either. But I could do a spread in there on my own, which is fine. And I can just skip that week and then go back to it. I need a day when it's just me and her and we've not got anything else on, because if I try and film that video when we get back from that party, she's just going to be wired. So that's not going to work. But I can always skip the week myself and come back to it with her the next week. It needs to happen, really. What will happen is Chris will have a football match, and that'll just give us the time to do that with a bit of peace and quiet. And then we can just take our time and get it done. You know, it doesn't matter if we sit there for like 2 or 3 hours to get it done. We can get it done, that's fine. Where have they gone? I've lost the... Oh, I haven't lost them, they're here. Sunday. Is this right? So why did I not have her this week on that one? I just had a long Saturday, didn't I? But why does it seem like it's longer? Maybe I will put this week at the bottom. Maybe that is what I will do. Anyway, another blank one for Sunday's video. Sunday should be my basic astrology plan with me, but it seems to have gone to a Monday lately. I seem to be posting it on a Monday. That's because if I film it over the weekend, I film it on a Saturday night and it's a darker video. And I just feel like it looks better if I film it during the day. So I've been hanging on till Monday mornings. Let's put that one there. And then this one can go here. And then I will put the this week on it because... Oh, did we not have it this week? Am I just making it up now? Well, I'm going to put one of these on then, because I've got a tracker that I can put down there, which is something that I like to put on. How many times I've posted on Instagram. I've been up in my Instagram game after being absent for a little while on there. Let's put a header on it because we've got the space. So when I do this layout then, this is meaning that I'm not having any bottom washi on. I think I did on one side on the other one, just because that was the way that it worked out. But this way, I haven't got any washi on it, and I don't mind. I think it looks okay still. So let's get the tracker on. Where are the trackers? On here. Let's have the pink one. And we can save the yellow one for a different day. And I'll get another header on the bottom of there, won't I? Let's use the blue one. There we go. I love how that's turned out. I just love how it turns out. I just really like that layout. So then I have got my washi left to use in my astrology, which is really nice. Let's do the date dots then. I'm going to need some small ones. Let's have a look in my collection and see what I have got. Have I got any really tiny ones? I used to have tiny ones off the Happy Sherpa Papery. Oh, they're small. Oh, these are small. Yeah, off the Happy Sherpa Papery Hobo kits. But I think because I hadn't used them for so long, I ended up going through this folder and destashing quite a bit because it was getting really, really full. Because I was saving date dots off every kit that I have. So then you end up with loads, don't you? Don't think I've got any of them really, really tiny ones left. Oh, I have these ones. Are they any smaller than those? Marginally. And are they the right weeks? That is the question. I think just about, because we've got the first and the second. So let's put these on them. So Sunday is the 3rd. Saturday is the 2nd. These seem to be off a Plan to Stitch planning kit. It's been ages since I've bought anything from that shop. And it is the 31st on Thursday, isn't it? There we go, date dots down, and the last thing I've got to do is just to mark when I've been posting on Instagram, and I have posted every day this week so far, and today is the Tuesday. How this has turned out, I have got loads of stickers left. Like I said, I'm going to have enough for a different spread. Don't have any full boxes left, but I'm sure that I can find a sheet of full boxes just to buy on their own a la carte in a shop. But for now, that's going to be it from me for today. If you like this video, if you can give me a thumbs up, and if you subscribe, I'll love you forever, and I'll see you soon. Bye!